to another vlog. Today is Saturday, January 10th. We are up and getting ready to start moving. First things first, I had to drop Kendall off at school because they have like a prep for testing. I'll probably run down to Schuler's so to get some meats for the first quarter. And the main thing I need to get done today is the groceries and getting this Christmas decor put up from the living room because it's a lot. I'm always doing something that's going to require spending money, unfortunately. So I made it back home, and this is the part that I dislike the most. Kendall is not here, so she won't be able to help me right now. So these are the groceries that we have for the first quarter. Reset. Whenever I buy groceries, I have to clean the refrigerator out and do all the things, which I should have did that yesterday, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna try to get everything unpacked, clean the kitchen, and clean out the refrigerator.
Me overthinking here, where we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you and me, like it's meant to be. Can't you see, baby? You got me overthinking. When you come closer to my body, a delicate touch of instinct, moving slow but my heart's racing, yeah. Your fingers sliding down my chest. What do you want from me? Lately it's been nothing but a mystery. Curiosity has got me wondering if this'll be alright. I want you in my life for more than a night. You got me overthinking here, where we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you and me, like it's meant to be.
Alright, so I'm starting with the I gotta wash my hair. Ground beef first. This is how I'm gonna separate ground beef. It's gonna be a little bit over a pound in each bag. Some people be using like vacuum seal bags and stuff like that. Y'all do whatever it is that y'all do. This is the way I do mine. Leave just a little bit of air in the bag. Alright, this is what you want to do. Flatten it out like that. I know it's gonna look weird, but just trust me. It makes it easier to thaw. It don't take much time to thaw, as opposed to you having it in big chunks. Now this one is smaller, so I know that it's not even a pound. So I'll probably use this for like some chili or something. Let's see. Now you have it like this.
See, baby, you got me overthinking. Yeah, you got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. Yeah, you got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. Okay. Yeah. Logically, it don't make sense to me. I don't see what you see for making me wait to call you my lady, making me contemplate, trying to calculate what your side state. Tell me why hesitate, why you keeping me at bay? Don't wanna be in the gray. Baby, I really love your curves, but I need my answer straight. Do you want from me?
All these are chicken wings. Four and a half pounds of ground beef. Then we got oxtail, a chuck roast, and 2 ribeyes. All this came up to $150 at the meat market. Okay. So now I'm just gonna clean up and put the rest of this stuff up. We should be good to go. And y'all, I had to end up calling out of work this morning because y'all, my stomach was hurting so bad that I had to literally call out of work because I don't know, it's like it woke me up out of my sleep. So what I'm getting ready to do right now, like for a little bit of energy, taking this new medication, and y'all, it had me so messed up. So anyway, while I have a little bit of energy, I'm getting ready to try to put all this stuff up. Y'all, this is ridiculous. Okay, so I've had this stuff here since the 1st. So all this stuff my mother-in-law found, or my mother-in-law got us for the next season, but I'm gonna store it. So I'm gonna try to put it in these totes for next year. Hopefully I got enough space. I need to take this tree down, y'all. It's a lot going on. Okay, I have been dreading putting this stuff away. It's just like I don't want to do this. And I don't know if I should leave them in the bag or take it out the bag. Let's see what this, just leave it in here. Yeah, and it's just a bunch of Christmas decor that's gonna match the theme again next year. So I'll see, we got the Grinch thing going on, so a lot of this stuff is like Grinch colored stuff that we can use for next year. Well, not next year, but this year. It's just a bunch stuff like that. Let's see how much I can get in here. So I didn't want to start my new year off this way. Like I wanted to start the new year off like organized or whatnot. So just give me some grace, because that's what I'm trying to. What we're trying to get done, okay? I don't have anything. I was gonna pull out my Cricut machine so I could put labels on these totes, but I don't know, I just feel like that's a lot of unnecessary work. I'm gonna just use like, you know how you have the Christmas labels that says to and from? I have a roll of those. I could just use that and then put that on the outside of the tote, like what's inside the tote. So I think I'm gonna do that. We got us 2 of these. Like, how cute is that? So, and Grinch neon light. I'm gonna take this stuff off this tree. And honestly, y'all, I'm probably just gonna. I also wanted to build a shelf out in the garage where I can slide these totes, because I have quite a few of these 27-gallon totes that I got from Home Depot. And I want to build a shelving unit so that I can have all of my holiday decor, you know, organized. Because not only do we have Christmas stuff, we also have Halloween stuff that she got. So these are, I guess, like garlands, but they're that you can hang up, but they have lights on it. If y'all can't tell by now, like my mother-in-law, she likes to shop, okay? I could never. The way that she shops, I could not. In there. Look at this. Y'all, look at this. Cute. This is a Grinch onesie. I would definitely have this on next year. I'm gonna put this upstairs in the closet though.
Yeah. Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I'll be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah. Can't tell.
I got all of these down in here. So all I have to do is just label them. This in here. That's everything. So that was perfect. I had just enough. Gotta get the Christmas tree put up. I finally got my Christmas tree bag, but we have a bigger problem with this furnace. So if y'all can see, it's 60 degrees in this house. It's supposed to be at 73, but the furnace has been acting crazy for like the last few weeks, and I don't know what's causing it not to come on, but I just went ahead and put in a warranty with my home warranty. I put in a claim, and the guy's supposed to be coming out today, which they gave me a time window of 8 to 5. But then when you go to track where he is, it's like, oh, he'll be here at 8:30. Then I go on there at 8:30. It's like, oh, he'll be there at 9:45. Like, y'all need to come on, because honestly, the monks are coming through North Carolina today, and I wanted to go see them. And it was supposed to be at 10:30, but it doesn't look like I'll be able to make. It doesn't look like I'll be able to make it. It's hard to get motivated because it's like I don't even want to clean up because it's so cold. But yeah, this is like kind of pissing me off a little bit because it's freezing outside. It's cold in here. I know my kids are freezing. They upstairs. They still in the bed, but I know it's been cold in their rooms. And there's nothing that I can really do about it. I don't really want to, I got some little space heaters, but I don't trust space heaters being on overnight. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's not gonna work for me because my nerves too bad. Okay. Y'all, the tree is still sitting over here in the corner. I promise y'all I'm about to get my living room back together. I gotta put this, I missed one of the loops on the curtain, so I gotta put that back up. With the warranty, the home warranty, that's something that, I mean, if you are a homeowner, that's something that you probably want to look into because it literally like covers like all of your appliances, your furnace, a bunch of different things, like some plumbing, which I wanted them to look into the plumbing upstairs because that still hadn't been fixed yet, but I don't know, plumbing is so expensive. When you think about stuff like what would you have done differently, these are just some labels that I'm gonna put on these black totes I got from Amazon. But when you think about like things in your life and you're like, what would I have done differently in my life? Y'all, alright, and then this is the bag here. I would have literally gone to school for a trade. Like, I don't know if I would ever get the stomach for plumbing, but a trade like plumbing, electrical, general contractor, something like that. I wish I would have done that. Because those are the things, like those are some of the things that will hold me back from doing like my DIY projects and stuff like that. And then when you source it out, it's so expensive to source it out. So for one, I know they making bank, but for two, you know, it becomes a hindrance when you're trying to get a project done or you want something done and plumbing or electrical is your biggest feat. Now, this is a big bag. Okay, where I connected it. Here's one. 2 parts. There we go. And the way, oh shit, the way this fluff be falling out, it's like you might as well get a real Christmas tree. Let's take this base off. Hopefully Just want to poke a hole in the bag. I'm gonna put the base back on here. I don't want it to poke a hole in here. Yeah, you can literally put way more stuff in here. Take a picture of this little area right here by the front door and ask AI to like generate something that I can do in here, because I don't like this wall just being plain and open. I still want to get like some accent chairs to go in here. Kind of want to build a table to go in front of this window so that I can put my plants there and let the sunlight feed those.
Yeah. Ain't nowhere we could be if two or three don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah. You and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight. Ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah. You and me ain't involved, yeah. Yeah. How you gonna say that? Girl, I don't play that. I ain't gon' lay back. What you want, come my life? Yeah, you know, girl, we go way back, yeah. How you gon' say that I'm the one that fall when we both involved? Cause ain't nowhere we could be if two or three don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah. You and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight. Ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah. You and me ain't involved, yeah, yeah. Steady switching plays, yeah. Steady switch. I've been in the dirt, yeah, dipping the hurt. Digging through baggage, feeling like merch. All of this drama ain't even worth. Hey, girl, you know I love you. How you gon' say that? Girl, I don't play that. I ain't gon' lay back. What you want, come my life? Yeah, you know, girl, we go way back, yeah. How you gon' say that I'm the one that fall when we both involved? Cause ain't nowhere we could be if two or three don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah. You and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight. Ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah. You and me ain't involved. Cause ain't nowhere we could be if two or three don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah. You and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight. Ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah. You and me ain't involved, yeah, yeah.
So a DIY entryway drop zone, which they say is highly practical. You can add like a slim console table or DIY wall mounted shelf, decorative tray or basket for keys or mail, a small table lamp or battery sconce, wall hooks above for coats or bags. All right, let me ask them to show me pictures. That's kind of cute. I kind of like this idea, and this. So, but we'll see. All right, I'll call y'all back whenever this man get here. It's already 11 o'clock and he still hadn't showed up.
We got the LP Smart Side completely around this house. We got the loud siding here, and then like the panel board back there in front to give you a closer look. But man, this stuff is great. It's really, really long-lasting, durable. Water faucet there.
It's here,
yeah, we
y'all.
got 3 sections. This is a triple
Fixing
wide.
this
We're
thing.
getting close to 2,900 square feet, y'all. 2,900 square feet. I mean, it's 3 sections in all.
All right, y'all. So it's a couple days later, and I got some more. I just want to show y'all. I got some more of these little totes. Y'all know. So I had the totes with the Christmas decor. I got some more. I got 3 more from Home Depot. They delivered those this morning. And then I got these boxes that's gonna go out. All of this is going out in the garage, along with the Christmas tree that's still in this bag, y'all. All right, so here's another dilemma. So we got all these boxes. I got them all broken down. I'm getting ready to take those outside. I need to break this table down and get all this stuff put away. This needs to go to the trash because I think the recycler is coming tomorrow. But yeah, it's so cold, y'all. So we supposed to be expecting this huge storm this weekend. I just placed the order on Walmart. Listen, we gotta be prepared. Okay, so I did that. Right now, I'm just trying to get all of this trash. I guess I'm the only one that see the trash. I guess I'm the only one with eyeballs around here. Take this trash out. I'm gonna take all of these boxes outside. Now, I don't know if this storm is like as big as they say it's supposed to be and all this stuff, because I was on Walmart, y'all, on the app placing my order, and they didn't allow, like, it didn't allow for me to choose milk. Now, it did allow for some types of milk, like organic and all that type of stuff, but trying to get some regular 2% milk, they didn't have it. So I don't know if that means that Walmart, you know, they out of it or what. But I'm starting to think that people are about to start panicking at this point, because they're talking about this storm is supposed to be really, really bad. And then, you know, if we're stuck at home, then we can just do everything that we had planned on doing anyway, I suppose. But yeah. Take all this trash out. I know it's so cold outside, so I'm gonna take this trash out. I don't want to freeze my fingers off. And I'll be back.